opening another surprise for you. And I think I know what it is. It's one of these.
What?
But it has little glitters on top.
What do you mean? How are you psychic?
No, I thought I had one of these before. So let's get opening.
How do you know?
That's what I'm
Is that a
doing.
cheese?
I didn't actually know. Wait, it's like going into the. Okay.
Did you have
Okay.
purchase history?
You know I can't open these.
Sure you can. Just gotta take the tab off and then open the lid. Without going crazy.
Oh gosh, the slime leaked into the bag.
Oh, wow. What does that do?
I already know what the slime feels like.
That's so pretty.
Beads and slime on top and the bottom. I don't need you anymore. Bye.
So what are you doing? You're gonna mix it all together in the bowl or outside
Go
the
away.
bowl?
Go away. I don't need you.
You don't need who?
None of your business. Go away. Wow, this looks like it's face massager. Oh no, stop it.
What is happening? You feel better? Like you've been at the spa?
Way better at the spa. So cold. Okay, that's what purple bee is in.
Do you need some scissors? Your scissors are right
Let's
here.
add up. If I can open them, we can.
Good luck with that.
Okay, finally. If I can't. No, come back here.
Do you lose a couple?
No, just one. No, just keep running away from me. Go, go, go. There we Hey.
Are you
Hey,
sure
get your
pushing them
fingers
in
off.
or what?
No.
This looks so fun.
Ah, come back here. Okay. A couple ran off.
Maybe that's why they have the bowl to put them in. Just saying.
And over here, we have new slimes. And this one. I found it from long, long ago, last Christmas. It's Christmassy today, so I'm kidding. Don't believe me. Look at all the bees that are not spreading out. You spread out, family.
Well, we want to be together.
Not anymore. Too
Oh, that's
late.
cool. All right, let's add more.
First of all, let's put it in a bowl. Bubble, come back. Why you keep running away? It's still not dead.
Squirting off.
That guy went flying. Oh, a bee just... You're not gonna be the second girl. Is that good? No.
Oh, you won't.
This slime is 3 pounds. A towel. My mustache is 3 pounds. It's so heavy. Let me go down. This did not crackle that much. Wait, there's like balls stuck in the bubble. Oh, that was just my gum in my mouth. It made a big bubble, then it popped. Okay, let's add these chills. And away. Wow, if you look at it from this side, so cool. These are mixing in. It takes a while. Be patient. Talking to myself over here.
I'm listening. So is this the end result or what? Talk to us. Show us how beautiful it is.
You see for yourself.
Let's get close up.
I'm gonna try to make a bubble, and I know it's not gonna work. I'm just gonna try.
I love that. It's like Easter slime. Oh, it's pretty. It looks like a
Not
bunch of
even
Easter
close.
eggs.
It's mermaid slime with
Mermaid Easter bunny slime.
gold in it.
Wow.
Oh, it did make a little one. So this is gonna be the end of our video.
Okay.
So make sure you subscribe to our channel. And yeah, bye.
Say subscribe to us because she's always up to something and making all kinds of new slimes. She's mad about slime. See ya.